Hi Cancerians, let's find out how the next week will be for you. Your personal life, professional life, your health, your finances, and divine guidance for you. Cancerians, their personal life will be, they don't want to face the problem they are going through. They feel that it should go away on its own. The problem is their own making in a way because they think that their intuition is not guiding them properly. Professional life is again, justice will be served. Whatever you are worthy of, you will get that. Your bosses, your competitors will be aware of that you are capable of this much. Health, slight negative mood is going on in your mind as you feel that the problem is there but you don't want to face it, so you'll be feeling slight depression, that you feel that you are not getting what you are worth of in personal life. But financially you'll be very strong. You'll be knowing where the money is coming from. Finances will be very healthy and you'll be happy with that. Divine guidance says that try to find out the hidden secrets of your life. Whichever problem you don't want to face, remove your blindfold, see the life as it is, and then you'll find all the answers to what you are trying to find. It is a good week overall. Only thing is, the advice given to you by divine is that open your eyes, see the things clearly. It will clear all the cobwebs, and moreover it will help you to move further in life, which is very important for Cancerians for the coming week. Now we are coming to the Leos. Your personal life, your professional life, your health, and your financial health. Body health and financial health, and divine advice for you. Your personal life, you are planning to take the next step. If you are in a relationship, you want to get married. If you are married, you are planning to have a baby. This week you will be going for the next step in a very planned manner. You might have planned a holiday for your family. Again, professionally, all your creativity will be awarded with the divine justice. People will see what you are capable of and they'll applaud you. Health is perfect. Nothing can phase you in this coming week. I think this is the best time of your life for health purposes, for personal life and professional life and finances. Something new is coming up, some reward from God which you have been waiting for. It is stupendous period of your life. Have fun, enjoy, and let's see with the divine. It is, be conscious of what you are doing. God is with you, and in macro sense and in micro sense, God is helping you in whatever you are doing. So be fit, be healthy, be happy. This is the week for you. Now we'll go towards the Virgos. Virgos, how the week will be for the Virgo people. Let divine guide me to put the cards for Virgo people. Their personal life, professional life, body health, and financial health. Divine wisdom, their personal life, they are taking a break in the relationship, conscious break, so that they can plan their next move. And it will be a small hiatus where they'll think of all the plannings they have to do for the coming months, coming weeks, and coming time. And their professional life is, they won't be satisfied. God has given them enough and they are very good professionally, but somehow in this week they'll feel that they are not being given their worth. They are not being recognized by people. Their body health will be, they'll be as good as a child, where the child is so healthy they don't know what the disease is. So healthy time. Whatever slight problem had been ailing the Virgos, it will be cured this time. They'll be happy with their body health. Financial health will be balanced. You'll get what you deserve. Yes, you are not feeling very good professionally, but financially you'll be well off and you'll get what you deserve. Overall, for Virgos, this period is good and they should be happy. They should not feel melancholic. Let's see what Divine is saying. Divine is saying plan your things properly, but everything is not in your hands. And you should trust in God and do what God is planning for you. And basically, for Virgos, the guidance is go with the flow. Thank you for watching. Keep divining.